This is Andy Bryce of Easy Data Transform, and I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily split a column of names into separate columns for parts of the name, such as first name and last name. I'm going to demonstrate this on an Excel file, but Easy Data Transform could also do the same thing for CSV, XML, JSON and various other file formats. Here we have an Excel file with some customer data. All the name information is in a single column, and we want to split the various name parts into separate columns. Honorific is title or rank, such as Mr., Colonel or Sir. The first name is the given or Christian name. The middle name comes between the first and last names and is often not present. The last name is the family name or surname. The suffix is a title or rank that comes after the name, such as Senior or PhD. Drag the file into Easy Data Transform. An input item is created. Then, with the input still selected, scroll down and click the Split Name button. A split name transform has been added. Now we need to choose the name column to split. A new column for each name part has been added to the end. The name splitting algorithm knows about common honorifics in a range of languages, such as Mr., Mrs., Her and Frau, military and political, religious and other honorifics such as Major General and Rabbi, particles at the start of last names such as de and von, and common suffixes such as MBA, PhD and Junior. We can see that the splitting algorithm's done a pretty good job here. The only thing it's missed is that generalissimo should be an honorific. So let's add that as a custom honorific. And it now splits that last row correctly. If you have multiple custom terms, then separate them with commas. Case is unimportant. You can also do the same thing with custom suffixes. Uncheck name parts that you know that aren't present. For example, if we know there are no middle names, we can uncheck middle names. If you're expecting two last names, for example for Spanish names, set num last names to 2. Note that the splitting algorithm expects each value in the column to be a single name in the order honorific, first name, middle name, last name, suffix, separated by white space or commas. Some of the name parts can be missing, but they must be in this order. Split name cannot guarantee to be 100% accurate. For example, it's impossible to know for sure if the Lee in John Lee Hooker is a first name, middle name or last name. In such situations, Easy Data Transform will make a guess. To combine the columns created back into a single column with additional text in a different order, use the substitute transform. And we'll recombine the columns in the order last, first, honorific, leaving the column name as substitute. The new column is added to the end. We can also use various other transforms to tidy up the data. For example, the remove col transform to remove the original name column, the reorder cols transform to change the column order, and the case transform to convert the first letter in each name to uppercase. The verify transform can be used to flag or remove rows where name parts are missing, for example where there's no last name. Once we've finished transforming our data, we can output it to a new file. We can output to a wide range of data formats including Excel, CSV, XML and JSON. But here we'll choose Excel format again. Click on To File and we'll use the default name. And here's our newly created Excel file with a separate column for each name part. This is a very small example, but Easy Data Transform can easily handle datasets with millions of rows. Easy Data Transform can also do sophisticated step-by-step data transformations to clean up, merge, reformat and reshape your data. Easy Data Transform is available for Windows and Mac. You can download a fully functional free trial from our website. It only takes a few seconds and you don't even have to give us your email address.